Well, just to show how awkward it is behind the screen, I thought I'd do a part 2 video just to show how blooming awkward and compromise. So I've got some cable ties just holding that on there, and then I'll do a little bit more secure in that box afterwards. I'll cable tie some of it going up here on the center thing. It shouldn't be too much of a problem, but I'll have to go up so part way with the cable and bring it over so far for one length, and then take the other next two up, one that way and then one over this way. So I'm doing left to right each side, because there's only 50 cables there, 50 fiber optics or such. I don't know, I've just got to make it up. It's very an awkward design, but it's very claustrophobic back here. And my LED head torch light, can see roll bars because of the light frequency. Yeah, that's interesting. Look at that. So it's on a certain frequency, so the camera's you know, not matching to the frequency. For a second I think it just stopped waving around. I'm not sure if it's also the I'm not sure if it's something to do with the AT screen that's causing the effect. Maybe if I look the other way. Yeah, I also got a heat gun down here, so I might heat glue some. No, shining on that, or still see the roll bars. I see roll bars. Anyway, turn it off because whoopsie, turn it off because the light's a little bit sparingly back here, but so far it's going a little bit easy. But I was thinking maybe get a second box, and then I could have put them halfway between the screen area and done the cabling a little bit different. But it's where to actually fit and mount the box. It's got to be attached to the screen. I can't have it elsewhere, otherwise if I move the screen out of position, if I had to come behind the screen, I'm going to have all these cables all over the place, and it would be hazardous. And even though I've got the door closed to keep my cat Bear out, because he likes getting behind this screen. He really does like hiding behind here. Anyway,